Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, kumusta kayo? Sana po ay safe po tayong lahat dahil grabe yung bagyong Karina na nangyari ngayon. No, may mga lugar na sa Pilipinas na under state of calamity na. And speaking of state of calamity, no, nag-announce po ang SSS na sila po ay mag-o-offer ng calamity loan para sa kanilang SSS members na affected ng bagyong Karina. And as of today, July 25, 2024, ito yung mga lugar na na-declare na siya, na-declared na as state of calamity. No, ang NCR, Oriental Mindoro, Batangas, Cavite, Bataan, and Bulacan. So kung kayo po ay pasok sa mga lugar na ito and member po kayo na SSS, at pasok po kayo sa magiging requirements and qualifications. At kapag kailangan nyo po yung cash, yung pera, mag-loan po kayo, i-avail nyo po itong calamity loan kay SSS. Okay, so number 1, magkano ba itong ino-offer na calamity loan ni SSS? As per SSS po, ito ay up to 20,000 pesos. Pero depende po ito sa contributions nyo, ha? So mas mataas po yung 20,000 pesos para sa calamity loan. So, maaari pong makakuha kayo ng mas mababa, kung mas mababa din naman ang inyong monthly contributions. Number 2, ano-ano nga ba ang mga requirements nito kay SSS para makapag-avail ka ng calamity loan? So, una, dapat you have at least 36 monthly contributions, 6 of which must be posted within the last 12 months before the month of filing of applications. Number 2, living in the residence of the declared calamity areas. Okay? Number 3, below 65 years old at the time of loan application. So, below 65 years old. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga 65 and above, you are not qualified po to avail ng calamity loan kay SSS. Okay? Next, have no final benefit claims such as permanent total disability or retirement, have no past due SSS short-term member loans, so dapat wala kayong due, no? Wala kayong past due doon sa SSS loan nyo. And lastly, have no outstanding restructured loan or calamity loan. So number 3, saan naman papasok itong inyong SSS calamity loan? Of course, papasok po ito guys sa inyong enrolled disbursement account sa inyong SSS Online. And number 4, paano naman mag-apply ng SSS Calamity Loan? Unang-una guys, punta ka sa Google, i-search mo ang SSS Login, i-click mo itong kanilang website, i-login mo ang inyong user ID and password. Pagdating mo dito guys, i-click mo lang tong loans, and makikita mo tong apply for calamity loan, i-click mo po yan. Okay, so hanggang dyan lang guys, dahil I'm not qualified for calamity loan. Okay? Basta i-click mo lang tong calamity loan at may lalabas po dyan na estimated na calamity loan na makukuha mo. And i-proceed mo lang guys and i-fill up mo yung mga details na hinihingi sa'yo dyan kapag makaproceed ka sa calamity loan. Hanggang sa mag-successful po ang iyong application. Okay? So, ganun lang naman guys kabilis na mag-apply sa inyong SSS Online for Calamity Loan. If you have questions with regards to SSS Calamity Loan, just comment below, sasagutin po natin yan. Alright, so that's all for my video for today. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Take care po and God bless us all.